cone, sleepy donut, crispy pizza, milky desire. Good company. We can collect these. Let's open it now. Oh. I also got this cheese strip. Wait, what is it? Strawberry cone.
What did you get?
Strawberry cone.
Pink one?
Wow, I like it.
Yeah.
So nice.
We want to see the collectible. This one.
Ah, wow. You need to collect them all now.